Unyitaniri uria kuhotithia thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu kugacirithia motungata maya kuri aikari ya kaunti ino.
Soma kwangu sijuka
Gavana wa kaunti ino Kimani Wa Matangi na uria ucemanite na baruthi wa bururi wa Korea Kang Hyun-sik augite mekuhuthira ciringi bilioni 4 kugathika macini ici mathibitari-ini ma level 4 maria mari miena ngurani kaunti-ini ino na mathibitari 26 ma level 3. Akiuga waki wa mathibitari maya ni urikite na gicunji kia 95 hari igana.
We are building about 6 level 4 hospitals which are about completion, 95% complete. We are building about 26 level 3 facilities and another 28 upgraded facilities. So we have a lot of demand, and especially for medical equipment.
Wa Matangi ugite mamwe ma maundu maria mekwagirithio mathibitari-ini ma kaunti ino ni hamwe na kuongerera mathomo ma aruti wira mathibitari, guthondeka macini iria ihuthikaga mathibitari-ini o hamwe na kugura ingi njeru.
And what we are looking at health is largely about equipping, digitizing the processes, and ensuring that we have advanced infrastructure within the hospitals.
Maya mokite riri gukoretwo na wongerereku wa andu aria maretha motungata ma thibitari kaunti-ini ino. Wa Matangi akiuga giki ni kimwe gia gitumi gia kwagirithia motungata.
If we are looking at an annual revenue of probably about 2 billion or 2.5 billion, then it is easy for us to fund the procurement of medical equipment.
Mwaka muhituku andu milioni 6 ni methire motungata ma thibitari kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Wa Matangi akiuga maumaga kaunti-ini ingi iria ikuhiriirie kaunti ino.
We are at the tail end of finishing the furnishing indeed of the facilities. We are done like about 95 to 98% of the construction in all the facilities. And so that is why we are looking at equipping the hospitals as an issue of urgency. And so we are ready to engage as early as today.
Kang na uria ni baruthi wa bururi wa Korea guku bururi-ini augite thirikari ya bururi wa Korea ni hotorete kunyitanira na bururi wa Kenya niguo kwagirithia maundu megie ugima wa mwiri.
I'm going to contact with the government agencies who is in charge of this kind of the medical cooperations between our nations. I'm going to arrange the follow the meetings between the contact point, the experts, to speed up the cooperation.
Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.
Go. Sorry. So that cough you'll always get it, eh?